Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2016 Soul. It's an SX edition. Qualifies for the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. Comes with fog lights, 2-liter engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. Has the added features of the red accents around the car. Let's take a quick look inside. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. The exterior mirrors are heated. Has a heated steering wheel, leather wrapped. Has the audio and cruise controls and various other controls and information systems on the steering wheel. Has approximately 33,600 kilometers. AM/FM radio, complete with Sirius XM. Climate control system with heated leather seats, auxiliary and USB input ports, push button start, and also Kia's U-Vol. Another shot of those leather seats. In the rear, plenty of space for passengers. Around the back of the vehicle. Lots of room in the back for carrying any kind of stuff you may want to carry, and also 2 passengers in comfort. This Kia also has a reverse camera. And remember, we're West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. You can call us at 855-745-9518. You can text us at 607-757-0808. And we're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge, no more than 20 minutes from anywhere in the Lower Mainland. Come and see this beautiful little 2016 Kia today.